friends, on this video how you can fix or insert your RAM on this CPU. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, sometimes you used to insert wrongly, and that's why from some people I saw that they insert wrongly, then your RAM used to be burned, because if you insert wrongly this wires, then it will burn. Okay, that's why friends, you have to check this video how to insert the RAM correctly. So friends, before you insert, do not forget to like the video. Okay, here you have to check your two RAMs, and after that here this blue color you are going to find. From here is the corner of the, you're going to find this line. From the line you have to insert this cutting one. Okay friends, here you can see this is cutting, and this cutting you have to insert on this line. Okay, if you insert like this is wrong. Okay, you should not insert like this. Look, so the correct way to insert your RAM is like this. Okay, check this one, the line, then after that you can insert properly. Okay, so after insert properly like this, you have to here, look, it's insert correctly. Then you just press this white one on the corner, you have to press. Okay, after that it will lock by itself. Okay, by pushing it. So another one also the same thing, only the cutting one you have to insert on the line. Okay, correctly, properly. Then after that you have to just press on the corner. Okay, look, the line is insert correctly, then press on the corner. Okay, the both side. By single also you can do like this. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.